हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम एक नया टॉपिक के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। मेमोरी बिट। मेमोरी बिट यूज करके कैसे प्रोग्रामिंग लिखेंगे, उसका यूज कैसे होता है। ठीक है। मेमोरी बिट हम किधर यूज करेंगे, मतलब हम जब हम एच एम आई में प्रोग्रामिंग करेंगे, थ्रू एच एम आई यू हैव टू ऑन द आउटपुट and of the output. For that we have to use memory bit. ओके। आज हम देखेंगे सिंपल प्रोग्राम देखेंगे। बाद में हम जब HMI प्रोग्रामिंग करेंगे कैसे उसका एप्लीकेशन यूज होता है वो हम यूज करेंगे। ओके। देखिए, when a proximity switch is sensed it will make a lamp on. When another proximity switch is sensed, it will make the same lamp off. Consider hints given. Consider proximity switch is having no contacts. Okay. Proximity switch having no contacts only. NC contact is not there. Okay. If he will give the NC contact, आप आराम से उसको ऑफ कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। खाली NO कॉन्टैक्ट दिया है। NO कॉन्टैक्ट मतलब ऑन ऑन करने के लिए। ओके। एनसी ऑफ ऑफ ऑन ऑफ होता है। ठीक है। एनओ एनसी नॉर्मली ओपन नॉर्मली क्लोज। ओके। सीधा प्रोग्रामिंग। ओके, स्टार्ट करेंगे। वो यूज करने के लिए बोला है मेमोरी बिट। ओके, पहले हम मेमोरी बिट यूज करेंगे। ओके, M0। ओके, दिस इज फॉर स्टॉप बटन आई एम यूजिंग। ओके, आफ्टर दैट दिस इज द sensor sensor. Okay, and this is the output light. Okay, latching. Okay, then another switch. Okay, given another switch, another switch. Okay, go to compile, simulator on, download, online mode, download the PLC. Okay, see the program. When a proximity switch is sensed, it will make lamp on. When another proximity switch is sensed, it will make the same lamp off. Consider proximity switch having NO contacts only. Only NO contacts. Okay. Here see X0 is a NO contact, X2 is a NO contact. No other any NC contact for this sensor. Okay. See how it is working. This is a sensor. I am activating. Okay. See, when sensor is on, that time the output light is glowing. Okay. Then you are off through latching. This is working. Okay. Another switch, another sensor will activate means that time the light will glow off. Okay. See, on. See, the light de-energized. Okay. For like this, we have to use the memory bits. Okay. Another program. Okay. when the sensor S1 is made on, the lamp B1 should glow. When sensor S2 is made on, the lamp B2 should glow. When the sensor S3 is made on, the lamp B3 should glow. When the sensor S4 is made on, the entire lamp should off. Consider sensor having NO contacts on this. Same NO contacts is given. Okay. Here three lights are there. Okay. One switch, three lights. Okay. And S4 switch made on for all off. Okay. See the program. This is the switch S1. S1. This is the lamp B1. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Then another switch X1. This is the S2 switch. For that B2 B2 lamp latching. Latching. Same third number switch. Okay. This is the S3 switch. This is the B3 light. Okay. Then latching. Okay. For one switch, one bulb. Okay. Then when S4, see S1, S2, S3, B1, B2, B3. Okay. When sensor S4 is made on, the entire lamp should off. Okay. See. This is the S4 switch. Okay. S4 switch. You have to off the entire. Okay. Okay. See. Compile. Simulate. Communication. Okay. Online. Run the PLC. Okay. See, one by one. S1 is on. B1 gets glow. Okay. I am releasing. And again S2 is on. B2 is glowing. Okay. When S3 also on, it's glowing. Okay. When S1 is made on, lamp B1 should glow. When S2 is on, lamp B2 will glow. When S3 is made on, the lamp B3 will glow. Okay. Same. Okay. When S4 is on, that time enter network will off. Okay. See, enter lamp should off. Okay. See, enter network means enter lamp now in off condition. Okay. थैंक यू. ऐसे हम मेमोरी बिट को हम प्रोग्रामिंग में यूज कर रहे हैं. ओके.